ये मेरे किचन में कैबिनेट है जिसको मैं स्नैक्स कैबिनेट बनाने वाली हूँ। Hi, I am Manjri. Hello and welcome to my home with my dreamland. Today my video is all about snacks cabinet. It is also all about children when they are staying at home, feeling stressed, getting bored, studying online during this pandemic. So for a change or to feel free from a daily boring routine, they generally ask me to make something different from daily routine food. So what could be provided when they feel hungry during online classes or in the evening, which could be helpful for their eyes and for their strong immunization? This challenge I am facing these days. You must be facing the same situation at home. I tell you what we do generally when children ask anything to eat, we easily make them available. I think here we are wrong. We should help them in developing good habits, and I know we all know that habits cannot make and break in a day. So I don't follow the strict rules. I allow my children to eat anything once in a week.
Mama, give me some snacks.
I generally don't want to give junk food all the time to the children. We should always make a habit to give something nutritious. It's okay once in a week, junk foods could be given, but habits should not be developed. We should plan such snacks item which would be helpful in boosting immune system and well development of growth and strong brain.
शाम में इवनिंग टाइम में स्नैक्स अगर देना है तो मैं तो बच्चों को मिल्क और ड्राई फ्रूट्स दे देती हूँ। इससे हेल्दी तो और कुछ नहीं हो सकता, तो मुझे ये लगता है, और बच्चे बहुत शौक से इसको लेते भी हैं।
Mama, I am hungry. Give me some noodles.
Beta, I am giving you something good to eat. Noodles is not for every day. Understood? You like corn? Or
Yes,
you want
yes.
to eat makhana? What do you want to eat?
Makhana.
Okay. You want to eat mungfali also?
No.
I am giving you. These two are good.
Thank you.
In place of market food, I like homemade items. So I prefer ghee if I am cooking or deep frying the things or the food items, because ghee is always the right choice.
Now it's time to show you my cabinet, how I have arranged and organized it.
In the organization, baskets and boxes plays an important role. So I have bought some baskets like these two brown baskets and these red one, and rest of the baskets are the old one. Here I have divided two shelves in two parts. Upper shelves is for those foods items which I don't give my children every now and then. Here you can see
4 boxes.
in these baskets all the foods those I don't give my children every now and then. Like this is soya katori, and this is noodle, this is mixture, and those are biscuits. And here you can see that cake, and in this basket I have kept all those things. These are the extra things which is in the packets, so I kept in this basket. So whenever I need it, then I fill the basket again. So in these baskets you can see that this is peanut and this is corn flakes. These two are very healthy, and I give my children these things. It is very healthy for the children. And in this red basket, it is also the packets which I have not opened yet. This is biscuit, and but this biscuit is very healthy. It contains jowar and rich in antioxidants. So it is good biscuit, nutritious biscuit, digestive cookies, and this is makhana. If children insist me, I usually give them atta noodles. All such food items are in the upper shelves. To keep in mind, these foods are for the escape days. In the lower shelves, you can see that in this basket I have kept rusk. This is makhana. Rusk's packets is already kept here. The new packet I have not opened. It is kept here in this basket, the new packet. So whenever I am in need, then I fill it. Here in this box, these are the airtight container. So in this box I have kept corn. Here makhana and mungfali. So I generally keep myself handy by preparing some snacks ready to use. When children feel hungry, they take from here very happily. Here, this is white oats. It is very rich in antioxidant and rich in fiber. So it is very good for the children and it is very good for everyone. At the back side, you can see this is poha. This is corn, and this is puffed rice. In Hindi you can say this is मुरमुरा. तो ये बच्चे बहुत पसंद करते हैं, तो ये मैंने इसको रखा है यहाँ पे और इनको फ्राई करके मैं देती हूँ. In this basket, I show you. In these boxes, I have kept dry fruits. I show you. A handful of dry fruits is enough to stay healthy, so I give my children whenever they feel hungry. So it is very healthy. In this box I have kept roasted chana. This powdered sugar. When I make lemonade, then I use it. This is mayonnaise. When I prepare sandwich, I take from this basket, and it is very convenient for me to take from here. So I keep this basket here in the kitchen. These two drinks I have kept whenever my children feel exhausted and tired after studying. I give them, so they feel very happy after taking this. So, and this is peanut. I have already told you. So in this basket I have kept these things only. Now this is namak pare and this is tikwa. I show you. It is also known as nimki. These things I have prepared in ghee. So ghee is the right choice in place of other oil. So this is tikwa. Children enjoy when they eat this.
I show you in this box what I keep in it. This is suji, this is maida and poha. I use Ziploc bag to keep the items fresh. When I open the packet once, it is a good organizer. Dry snacks like dry fruits, mixed grain biscuits, milk, egg, sprouts, fruit salad, makhana, all these are always healthy and light snacks for small hunger.
Today I have shown you my snacks cabinet and discussed about nutritious snacks for children in this pandemic. So I hope it would be helpful. So see you in my next video. Bye and keep watching. Oh yes, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.